Welcome student in another tutorial of HTML CSS. If you remember in last three tutorial, we learned lots of about HTML CSS like inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. Today we will learn about external CSS, but in this external CSS we will add a few more features, or we can say we will use a few more utilities of this HTML features where we can make our own classes, and on the basis of those class we can apply styles on our HTML documents, and that we'll learn how we can do that. So let's start. Software I'm using for developing this web page, that is Visual Studio Code. You can download the same software from the given link, or you can Google it according to a system architecture. Okay, so this HTML CSS you already know. This I have already taught in previous three tutorials. I don't think so again it's required to repeat. Three types of CSS you already know: inline, internal, external. Just I said. External CSS where the all those styling save in the other file or separate file, and the same file we call with the help of link and hyperlink attribute. So this is the example of external CSS. You can check here. I made different fields like main. So this is the whenever we call in CSS main with the help of div tag. So this style will be applied to particular at tag wherever we call this. Similarly, I made a customized one abps. So whenever abps called, then abps styles will be applied to particular tag. Similarly, font you can make your own. Okay, this is not necessary to follow the same. You can make your own style. And this is the page where I call this style sheet. I given the name my style, and div tag is used for that, and class main. So whenever this class main, so it will call main one. Let me move back. Main. So what this will do, text align center. So whenever the main that CSS called, that will be automatically applied to particular tag. So this tab is starting div here, from here to here. So whatever come within this, so that main style will be applied to that. And we can check what about main style about text align center. So all the text whatever come within this div tag or division tag, that will be centralized. Let me show you practically so you can easily understand. For that I have to start Visual Studio Code. So first what we will do, we'll make a CSS. Okay, so CSS I have already given here. So let's start. So first one is suppose main. Let me check again. Main. Okay, got it. And in this main, what text align center. Now suppose next is abps, and in this abps color, whatever color you want, okay, that you can take it from here. Suppose aqua blue or whatever, suppose aqua. Okay, next font size, you can mention font size also. Suppose font size 50 pixels. Okay, font weight also you can, that is up to you. Whatever the styling you want, you can take it from here. Okay, that is bold. Now let me make one more font one. Okay, suppose font is font style or font size like this. Okay, font size 20, font weight bold, or font style bold, you can say. That is up to you. Whatever you want, you can take it. Okay, and save this CSS. Now the CSS saved, and the same CSS saved with my style.css, and we'll include here in our HTML page. Okay, you can take the snap of the same for your practical purpose. You can create your own also. Okay, it's not required to follow only abps or whatever you want. You make your name with name also. If your name is suppose Aditya, you can type Aditya here, and same you can call in HTML page. So let's start HTML page. HTML. Now head, give some title also. Suppose title is external CSS and include style. And this style, what you can link, just check, you can use within the head link and relation. Okay, don't take style one. Within head take link, style sheet, and hyperlink. Hyperlink means the path of your style sheet. So suppose this one is my style sheet. As soon as you type, it will automatically pick the name from your source folder. Okay, so now this one completed. Now take body, and now in this body, what, let me check what I've taken. Okay, main class, abps and font. Okay, so take here a div, first one, and within this div will include all. So first one, we have to type here class. Okay, now the name, first name, what we given in our css, that is main. So what we'll type here, main. So automatically that main style will be applied to whatever come within this div. Okay, or division. So now next division I'm taking here, div and class equal, let me check what is the class name there. Suppose what is the class, abps. So I type here abps, and what the return here I've taken. Okay, school name. Let me type the school name, the Aditya Villa Public School Core. Okay, let me save this. Now another div, that is font. So take another div here, and this div, what class, font, and here a computer science portal for abps students. Okay, let me save this. Let me check it again whether it is font or not. Okay, it is font. So let's run this code and we'll check whether it's working properly or not. Okay, like this coming. Okay, bg color is not coming. Let me check why this bg color is not coming. Okay, main, background, everything are taken here. Background color, suppose this one. Let me save it. Okay, now it's appearing for this one, for main. Okay, you can change the color size also, the color, not color size, color name, whatever you want. Okay, just check, it's not appearing properly. The proper one, whatever the color you want, you can take it from here. Okay, so like this you can make your own style and you can easily call, and this is the code. Take the snap of the same for your practical purpose. This is for HTML and this is the CSS code. So this much only in today's tutorial. I hope you understand, student, how you can make your own styles, and you can, how you can call that also with the help of div and class, and you can reuse it again and again, because when you make some styles with the help of name, So that name you can easily call with the help of this div and class, and no need to check actually what code for which purpose. Okay, what the main advantage of this, whenever you make this as external style sheet, and you know that for a particular background color you made for bg, you given the initial name like bg and whatever, so you can immediately type that, and you can use that style, and that save lots of time while making some complicated and bigger websites. So I hope you understand, student. Do it practically for a better understanding. Till that, thank you, student. Thank you very much.